The #1 latest AI model right now in the world. Yes, this is Seedance 2.0. And if you want this video is for you. Keep watching. But here's the crazy part. It's not just Seedance 2.0. You're going to get access to all the top AI models in one place. Image models like Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro, and Seedream 5.0 Pro, and video models like Seedance 2.0 Fast, Seedance 2.0 Mini, Gemini Omni Flash, Kling 3.0, and every other model too. Image models, audio models, video models, unlimited and completely free. And with these, you can create unlimited, these Stickman 2D or 3D animation viral videos you can see on the screen right now. The kind that go viral, like this. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to access all of these models completely free, but only for a limited time, so don't wait. And that's not all. I'm also giving you my own AI animation prompts, so you can create Stickman 2D and 3D videos like these with just a single prompt. So without wasting any time, let's get started. But before we do, if you're new here, welcome to ManuAGI. I'm Manu, and on this channel, I show you the best AI tools and how to use them in simple steps anyone can follow. If that sounds helpful, hit subscribe, because this one is a perfect example. Okay, let's get started. A few hours ago, Higgsfield AI announced a big offer for all AI creators and content creators. For a limited time, Higgsfield is giving access to top AI models with unlimited usage. In this offer, you can access popular AI models like Seedance 2.0, Kling 3.0, Nano Banana Pro, Gemini Omni Flash, GPT Image 2, and more. But that is not all. As you can see here, all these free and unlimited models are available inside Higgsfield. You can access these models completely free for a limited time. For all new users, Higgsfield is giving 24 hours of unlimited access to all these top models. And if you upgrade to a paid plan, you can get 7 days of unlimited access with the Pro and Max plans. Here, you can see all the top available models. This includes top image, video, and audio models, all available with unlimited access for a limited time. Getting this unlimited offer is very simple. First, go to Higgsfield AI. Do not worry, I have added the unlimited offer page link in the description. Open that link and click on the Unlimited Offer tab. Now sign up with your Google, Apple, or Microsoft account. Or, if you want to use a separate email, you can also sign up with your email address. After logging in, you will see a dashboard like this. And here, you can see the offer saying that Seedance 2.0 and all the top models are unlimited. So, click on this offer and claim it. All new users get a full 24 hours of unlimited access to all top models on the Higgsfield website, including Seedance 2.0, completely free. If it is not for you, just cancel within 24 hours and you pay nothing. Otherwise, the subscription will continue. This offer begins on Tuesday, July 21st at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and runs through Thursday, July 23rd at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Here, you can see all available plans. Every new user gets 24 hours of unlimited free access to all top AI models. And if you upgrade your plan to Pro or Max, you get 7 more days of unlimited access to all top AI models. So, you can choose any paid plan and get 7 extra days of unlimited access. After claiming your offer, let's test these models. First, go to ChatGPT or Cloud to create your storyboard prompt. I use Cloud. Before creating the storyboard, we first need a story idea. If you already have a story idea, that is perfect. But if you do not have one yet, you can use this prompt to generate new ideas for your story. For example, I want to create a new 3D animation story, so I will enter this prompt. I want to create a 2D Stickman animation short story videos, so give me 5 creative, engaging, and unique ideas for my story. Now press enter. In a few seconds, Claude will create 5 original and emotional 3D cartoon short animation story ideas. For example, the eraser chase, gravity glitch, the loading bar life, and 2 more story ideas. You can choose any story idea you like. If you do not like the ideas, you can generate more ideas again. After selecting your story idea, copy my storyboard image master prompt. This master prompt is also available in the video description, so do not worry. Just copy the complete master prompt. Now go back to Cloud and paste it. At the top of this prompt, you will see a section for the story title. This is where you need to enter your selected story title. Otherwise, you paste your story title here. For this video, I am choosing this story idea, The Loading Bar Life. So, I will copy this title and paste it into the story title section. Do not change anything else in the master prompt. Just add your story title and video. Storyboard ratio to 16:9. Press enter. In a few seconds, Cloud will create your complete storyboard image prompt. As you can see here, this full prompt includes the complete story, character details, and all 12 storyboard panels. Now, simply copy the complete prompt. You can also use the copy button to copy it directly. Next, I want to create my storyboard image using the GPT Image 2 model. So, I go to Higgsfield AI to create my storyboard image. Just go to Higgsfield AI. From the top menu, go to the Image tab and choose the GPT Image 2 model. Now, for image creation, you will see a dashboard like this. If you have any reference images, you can upload them here. You can upload up to 16 images. But for this example, we do not have any reference images, so we will only use our prompt. We already copied our prompt, so now we simply paste it here. Next, choose your model. We already selected GPT Image 2, but if it is not selected on your side, then choose it here. Or, you choose any other top AI image generation model, but for this storyboard image, we choose GPT Image 2. After that, choose the image quality as high. Next, choose the image resolution. It supports up to 4K, so for this image, I will select 4K. Now choose the image aspect ratio. By default, it is set to auto, but for this image, I want 16:9, so I will select the 16:9 aspect ratio. Next, choose how many images you want to generate. For example, I want 2 images, so I select 2. After selecting everything, I click on the Generate button. And after a few seconds, my 2 images are ready. You can see them here. The storyboard includes the story title, The Loading Bar Life, along with 12 image panels. On the right side, you can see all the Stickman character details, along with other important elements and prop details. And on the bottom side, you can see all the story details. Once you are satisfied with your storyboard image, just click on the Download button to save it. Or, if you want to create it again, simply click on the Recreate button. So, we download this image. Now, after downloading and preparing your storyboard image, the next step is to turn this image into a video using Seedance 2.0. For this image-to-video process, we need a full detailed prompt for Seedance. So now we go back to Cloud first. Upload your selected storyboard image here. After uploading the image, go to my prompt library and copy the Seedance 2.0 prompt for converting a storyboard image into a video. Copy the complete prompt, go back to Claude, attach your storyboard image, paste the prompt, and press enter. In a few seconds, to Claude, create a new detailed Seedance 2.0 video prompt with the full story sequence and timing. Now, copy this complete prompt and go back to Higgsfield AI. Here, go to the video section and select the Seedance 2.0 4K model. You will see a dashboard like this. First, upload your storyboard image. You can upload it using the Upload Media button, or you can open the Image Generation tab and select the image you already created inside Higgsfield. One useful feature in Higgsfield AI is the Check Eligibility option. Click on Check Eligibility and wait a few seconds. This checks whether your image is eligible to use on the platform. Always make sure that you own the image or have permission to use it before generating a video. After a few seconds, my image is approved, so I select it. Next, paste your Seedance 2.0 prompt here. After adding your prompt, always check that your image is attached to the prompt correctly. If the image is not attached, type that image in your prompt and connect the uploaded image in the correct place. Next, choose your model. We already selected Seedance 2.04K, but if it is not selected on your side, choose it here. Or you choose any other video generation model, but for this video we want to use Seedance 2.0, so we select it. Now choose your video duration. The default duration is 8 seconds, but for this video I need a longer result, so I select 15 seconds. Next, choose the video aspect ratio. For this example, I select 16:9. Then choose your video resolution, 1080p or 4K. After selecting everything, click on the Generate button, and the video generation process will begin. After a few seconds, my video is ready. Now, my final result is ready. Let's watch the result. It looks really amazing. The AI created the full video according to the scenes and panels in my storyboard image. Now, just click on the download button to save your video. By using my storyboard image master prompt and this Seedance 2.0 video prompt, you can create storyboard images and complete videos for any original 3D animation story. And that's it. You now know how to turn one storyboard image into a full Stickman animation story video using every top AI model completely free. Remember, all new users get a full 24 hours of unlimited access. And if you love it, you can continue with the Plus plan for 7 more days and cancel in one click during the first day if it's not for you. But this offer is only live for a limited time, so go grab your free access now. The link, plus all my animation prompts, are down in the description. If this helped you, hit subscribe. I share AI tricks like this every single week. And tell me in the comments, what's the first animation you'll create? Best idea gets pinned. Now click the video on your screen to keep going. I'll see you in the next one.